not even cool. So, hi guys, I'm Orion's sister, and I'm showing you how to make slime. I'm not hacking because I'm his sister. That means I live with him. So he made some extra fluffy slime. We had a sleepover with my friend. He made extra fluffy slime. I added too much shaving cream, and it turned out into real extra fluffy, which is, I can show you right here on this aluminum foil. See, that's not really good. So I added a little bit of food dye to change it to more orange looking. So see when it's orange. I don't like the color orange, so I'm gonna finish mixing this in.
It's not shaving cream anymore. It used to be like this.
So I started kneading it.
It used to be like this shaving cream. It looks like just shaving cream.
So we're gonna mix this fully.
It looks like just glue mixed with shaving cream.
Orange looking color. So that's enough mixing. We got this. It looks like shaving cream, doesn't it?
Oh,
that's
Mommy.
Alright, so I'm gonna pour some glue. I got some glue. Pour some glue inside that slime and start mixing. Start mixing up this slime until it's perfect.
Wait, after you're done with it, tell them about hitting the subscribe button so we can make it up to like 100 and something subscribers.
I know what to do.
And tell them to like this video and comment anything.
Okay.
On there. Even if it's a hate comment.
No hate comments.
If it's no, they just need to comment anything.
What hate comments is off to this? Okay. So you can kind of see I added some food dye to this. The slime looks white, but it's actually orange with purple food dye. His camera isn't that good yet.
You're doing so how did purple get in there?
You see it turned it on?
But how did purple get in my slime?
It turned it orange.
Okay.
It's actually turning into slime now. It's slime. So we're getting to the ending of this video, which we are at the end of this video. So comment, subscribe, have a happy life, and enjoy life. And we'll be back with you with the next episode.